Wayne Adam Ford, known as the truck stop killer, terrorized the United States in the 1990s. He targeted young women, often luring them from truck stops with promises of rides or work before murdering them. Ford's killings spanned multiple states, leaving a trail of fear and confusion for law enforcement. Convicted of multiple murders, he received life sentences without parole. His ability to blend into society while committing heinous crimes makes his case one of the most chilling examples of serial killers hiding in plain sight.